Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's we are creating a circle this webcam. Currently we have this in a rectangle box. Okay. So now for this I open my OBS Studio software. So I'll just create this from scratch. Like first of all I create a scene 2. Okay. Then I choose the source. I want to choose video capture device, which is a webcam. I already have a one capture device, video capture device. Okay, click it. Okay, okay. So next, I just click on display capture. I have existing display this one. Okay. So now, yes, these are overlapped. So just reduce the size of this webcam. Oh, all right. I'll just fix it over here. Okay. So now we just click on this webcam and go to the filter option here. Okay, so first in effect filters, just click on plus icon and just hit on image mask and blend. Okay, so now give the path of masking. Like I have a 2 masking in my downloads. Okay, first of all circle, try it with a circle. Okay, looks nice. Yes, just close. So now you are just saying that this is a circle box. Okay, let's increase the size of this. Okay, got it. Hit transit. This is our output video, this program section. Okay, so how it looks like in for the viewers. This is the display for the output, and try it with a different one. Okay, just click on this webcam filter. Okay, plus image mask blending. Okay, give the second mask mask 2, which is a square box but some of curvy here. Okay, yes, it looks little bit nice. Just transit. Okay, so this is our output window and this is our preview section. So we are just now in my next videos I use this circle or this rectangle box masking. In the my previous videos you are seeing that this is the like in a rectangle box, so it covers the like left and this left and right side extra spaces just for the like it is not usable, but okay. So now we are using this masking in our next videos, future videos. Yeah, thank you guys, thank you so much.